Fulani Herdsmen attacked secondary school in Oyo, southwest Nigeria, injured students and some teachers. Some Fulani Herdsmen on Tuesday morning reportedly attacked a public secondary school, community grammar school, Alaropo, Nla, in Orire local government area of the state. It was gathered that some Herdsmen injured yet to be identified numbers of students and teachers during the invasion. According to eyewitnesses, who accounted that over 20 Herdsmen allegedly invaded the secondary school with cutlass and some guns, injured some students and teachers. Some of the teachers and students, including Mr. Paul Olabode, were cut with sword and machete, while many others suffered broken leg and hands. According to the report, the herders invaded the secondary school farm with their cows to graze after the school has just finished its morning devotion and students were preparing to settle down in their classroom to continue their second term examination. It was learned that efforts by students and teachers to drive away the herders were met with force. Mrs. Grace, the school principal, confirmed that the incident has been reported to the police.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.